Good morning and welcome to everyone. Today is Boxing Day, day of sharing gifts. So go and share gifts to your loved ones and also send mine. We have a total of 500 odds today over market. Let's get started. The first game we have is a game in the England League Two where Blomley is taking on Newport County, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is still in England where Bolton Wanderers is taking on Barnsley, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We have a game here in Wales where Conan Core is taking on Flint Town United over 2.5 goals. Next one we have is a game in England Amateur where Wingate and Fitchy is taking on Chase Hunt, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. Still in England Amateur League, we have a game between Hendon taking on Potters Bar Town, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Moving on, still in England amateur, we have a game between Leicester FC taking on Lowersford, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. Moving on, still in that same England amateur league, we have a game between Bedford Town Football Club taking on Hitchin FC, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, kindly go ahead and chat me up on WhatsApp. I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Remember, it's a paid service. Okay, moving on, we have a game here in England Amateur League, that is the Northern Premier League. We have a game between Stockton Town taking on Avon Town, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. A game in England Amateur, we have a game between Slaughtown taking on Chesham United over 2.5 goals. Rushall Olympic taking on Oxford City in the England Amateur National League North over 2.5 goals. We have a game here in the Wales Championship South, a game between Bigland Dragon taking on Trevelyan BGC, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. A game in England, in Wales Premier League, a game between Cardiff Metropolitan taking on Brighton Ferry over 2.5 goals. The last game we have on this ticket is a game between Royal Antwerp taking on KRC Gent in the Belgium Division 1 over 2.5 goals. Kindly go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie and play them. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys later. Do not forget to share this video and hit the like button.